the Dolomites, Italy. Probably one of the nicest places on earth. There are two main police forces in Italy. The first one is the civil police, and then they got the Carabinieri, which are the military police that mainly take care of robbery, killers, and drugs. So you may be wondering, why ride Supermoto in a place like this? And the short answer is,
I don't want peace. I want problems, always!
We just got some information that the police are waiting for us outside of our vans. I feel like I'm gonna get fucked.
De vill kolla allas kameror eller sånt också.
Gå inte kameror, men markera denna video om det är hajs eller gömt. Så ni inte har några så här skyddsgrupp i alla fall från idag.
Carolina searching for us.
Oh, who do I see over here? My brother. Min bror där.
Hur mår du?
Det mår bra. Nu mår jag bra.
Nej, jag saknar dig som fan.
I miss you as well, bro. We're gonna slay, bro. Holy shit, yo. Bro, we got a quad here. We got sick ass bikes, man. Holy shit. Let's see the squad. Oh my god. When we were going down here, we saw two motorcycle cops, and they actually catched Vincent and Carl Aldin for having a trailer, which is crazy. You have to have a license to be able to drive with a trailer here in Italy. So hopefully they are gone, and hopefully they will not be waiting there for us. They took Vincent up there. Should we turn around? Okay, we're gonna turn around because the cops are up there. Bro, everyone is going so slow. I'm like, I don't know, no.
Fast, bro.
No, bro, I'm going so slow and my brain just wanna explode when everyone else is going even slower.
You're riding with 125s, bro.
I know, man.
You have to keep it slow.
Yeah, I try to get people to understand, like, yeah, I wanna race, man.
Then you would get
Nah, not now with the new bike, man. I'm gonna send it.
I think you're gonna send it harder than I do with 2022.
Yeah, of course, bro. Okay, is that a challenge? Is that a challenge?
Of course.
Okay.
Go for it.
Okay, bro. We just got some information that the police are waiting for us outside of our vans. They want us to come down, and I actually don't know. I have no clue. I feel like I'm gonna get fucked. We're up here with these big ass mountains in the background. I'll pop up a clip right now showing the police video that we got, and you guys can just see for yourself. What do we do with the police, bro?
What we're doing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fuck them up.
No, but for real, I don't know, man. I feel like if we're gonna go down, we need to take out all the SD cards from the cameras.
Yes, for sure, cause
and just like hide them in between our butt cheeks or something.
Probably a lot of people called the cops on us that we were riding in the mountains. So they like saw our logo here, and they saw it on the cars, and they're like, we want those guys.
she's riding because when the police is angry to her, she can go cry and it's her
special attack, special ability. Let's just relax. I don't know what we're gonna do. One thing I do know is that we're far away from home, and we got some crazy cops that are mad at us, but we got this beautiful view and we got bikes, and yeah, that's pretty dope.
Ja, de vill kolla allas kameror och sånt också då.
Gå in till kamerorna och så markerar ni alla videor och sånt. Och så kan ni dela och skriva hide eller göm.
Är det så?
Så ni inte har några så här skit just i alla fall från idag.
Carabiners searching for us.
Yeah, I did the police is searching. Koffe sa att det verkar som att de bara vill ge böter.
Rulla ner hit och bara prata med dem och så här börja lasta in hojarna och be om ursäkt.
Okej, så vi ska köra liksom på 2 hjul ner dit och bara chilla.
Ja, det tycker jag. Men samtidigt så kan ni stå där och gömma er halva natten liksom, och då kommer ni säkert undan. Det är det som är skillnaden.
Ja, precis. Jag skulle kunna tänka mig att åka ner lugnt och bara, aha, vänta, är ni här vet?
Men de sa ju att de ville att vi skulle ringa er och jag sa att jag kan bara få tag på svenskarna, inte på österrikarna. Så jag kan ju säga att de är på väg ner hit och prata med er om ni vill det.
The cops said that they would not let our friends go if we did not come down and meet them. So, even if we risked getting fines, getting our bikes taken from us, we decided to go down and meet the cops and see what they had to say.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Hello.
How many people do you have with you with bike?
Oh, now it's me and him only.
Okay. You get your paper from the... Yes.
So I don't know, it was okay. For a while there I was like, bro, I cannot lose my bike now, you know. I just bought it, I just fixed it up. I would have had to go back to Sweden without a bike, buy a car, come back to Italy and pick my bike back up. It would have been so bad. We had to pay 150 euros. The other guys though that did not come down, I don't know what happened with them. All I can say is I'm gonna go home now, have a nice drink, just relax. Man, I don't want to ride more today, I don't want to get caught again. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. And remember, subscribe if you guys want to see more stuff like this. It's been Gebel, and I'm out.